Hello everyone, I am Mandeep. The topic for today is My Mother. It is a poem and is written by APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was the former President of India. He was known as Missile Man of India. He was a renowned scientist. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15 October 1931 and the World War started in 1939 when he was just a child. This poem is Kalam's tribute to his mother for her unconditional love and care. Now read the poem My Mother by APJ Abdul Kalam. Sea waves, golden sand, pilgrim's faith, Rameshwaram Mosque Street all merge into one, my mother. In the opening lines, the poet says that he sees his mother in sea waves, golden sand, pilgrims, faith, and Rameshwaram Mosque Street. For him, everything merges into one, and that is his mother. So his world was her mother only. You come to me like heaven's caring arms. I remember the war days when life was challenge and toil. Miles to walk, hours before sunrise, walking to take lessons from the saintly teacher near the temple, again miles to the Arab teaching school, climb sandy hills to railway station road, collect, distribute newspapers to temple city citizens, few hours after sunrise, going to school, evening, business times before, study at night. APJ Kalam further says that his mother was like God for him. Like God protects his people from every problem, his mother too protects him from all the problems. Her arms are like heaven for him. He remembers his childhood when he was 9 or 10 years old and the Second World War started. His life became challenging and it was full of struggle. He had to get up in the wee hours, means in the early morning. He would walk for miles to take spiritual and divine lessons from a saintly teacher near the temple. Again, he had to go on foot to receive Arab lessons from Arab teaching school. After climbing sandy hills to reach railway station road, he collected newspapers and then distributed them to the temple city citizens. After sunrise, he would go to normal school like you all have. In the evening also, he had to run around for part-time business. He would study at night before going to bed. All this pain of a young boy, my mother, you transformed into pious strength with kneeling and bowing 5 times for the grace of the Almighty only, my mother. Kalam had very packed schedule when he was just at the tender age of 9 or 10 years. Kalam had gone through so much pain. He never had grudge for his hardships, and the mother would transform his struggle into holy strength. She never forgot to pray 5 times a day, like namaz. She would seek blessings from God, and her strong faith in God always supported them, which became their strength. Here, H in him is written in capital, so it refers to God. The mother had always shared her best with the needy. She had firm faith in God and hence she showered everything that belonged to her with others. In spite of being poor, she always helped others. I still remember the day when I was 10, sleeping on your lap to the envy of my elder brothers and sisters. It was full moon night, my world only you knew, mother, my mother. The poet still remembered that when he was 10 years old, he was envied by his brothers and sisters. Envied means jealous. Poet's siblings were jealous of him because he was given more love by his mother. It was only his mother who knew his internal pain and struggle. When at midnight I woke with tears falling on my knee, you knew the pain of your child, my mother, your caring hands tenderly removing the pain. Your love, your care, your faith gave me strength to face the world without fear, and with His strength we will meet again on the great judgment day, my mother. When at midnight Kalam would cry in pain and his tears fell on his knees, it was only his mother who understood him and had empathy for him. Nobody else in the world knew that a 10-year-old child was struggling hard to earn bread for his family. The mother's tenderly love and care and her firm faith in God could remove all the pains of the child. She inculcated in her children the strength of God to fearlessly face all the challenges of life. Here H, strength is written in capital, so it refers to God. Day. What is Judgment Day? It is given in the Bible and Quran that on Judgment Day all the holy spirits would come out of their graves and reunite with God. APJ Kalam is expecting the same from his mother. As she too is a sacred spirit, he would have reunion with his mother. Let us now discuss the theme of the poem, My Mother. The poem is a child's tribute to his mother's selfless love to transform him into fearless and upright human being. It highlights mother's qualities and in a way child is grateful to his mother for making him what he is today. Let us now discuss literary devices used in the poem. We also call them poetic devices or figure of speech. The devices which enhance the beauty of the poem are called literary devices. Simile, direct comparison between two things using like or as is called simile, where we make comparison of two things using like or as. Here from this poem, you come to me like heaven's caring arms. In this line, mother's coming to her son has been compared to God's coming to his children. Mother's care is equivalent to God's care. Mother's care and God's protective arm protects us from all the dangers and harm of any sort. Repetition. The poet often repeats single words or phrases like lines and sometimes even whole stanzas at intervals to create musical effect, to attract the reader's attention. And here in the poem, the line is your love, your care, your faith. The word here has been repeated to emphasize how much importance does the poet gives to these things, and his mother is the true source of it. Mother, my mother. The poet repeats the words my mother again and again to show how much he misses his mother's love and care. Let us now discuss the rhyme scheme. The poem is written in blank words, that is, there is no as such rhyme scheme. That's all for today. Thank you.